This video is presented to you by Zanda Architectural Hardware, showcasing Australia's greatest range of entrance pull handles. First impressions count. That's why more architects and designers are specifying Zanda pull handles in some of Australia's finest buildings. Appearance, durability, versatility, ease and flexibility of installation are just some of the qualities that have transformed our pull handles into an industry mainstay. Our unique range comprises straight or offset handles, 18 different styles and 58 different sizes, ranging from 300mm right up to 1800mm in length. Yes, that's right, 1.8 metre lengths in 5 different styles stocked in our warehouses across Australia. What's more, all of Zanda's pull handles are constructed from 316 marine-grade stainless steel, making them ideally suited to corrosive applications or high humidity situations. View the range here, or contact the friendly Zanda team on 1300 926 321 for more information on these breathtakingly elegant pull handles.